Oh. What the fuck am I? So it looks like I need to go this way. Anyway, I need to return to Ludo's slave map. There is hope. There is a safe place. Find the Temple of the Union where slaves are made into free men. Well, that's another two factions. Slavers and slaves. Wow, what happened to me? Yeah, the armor was broken. Motherfucker. What the fuck? How did he survive that? Left leg is he? That was not true. Yeah, those scripts I made can be buggy. That's how I detect which part of the body get hit. Because there is no connection between the attacker and the target. I talked about that. The improvisation I made is that I always track on every target and every actor. I track their conditions. What's here? On the radiation. All those limbs, their limbs conditions. I track them and I track changes actually. And if there is a bigger change, the biggest change in get all those piercings. You see now the frames. No. If there is a big change in the biggest change in head condition, then I notice that they're shot head. Sometimes there are bigger changes in, for example, legs or something. For some reasons I can't really explain now. Okay, I won't carry armor. But I will carry a rifle. Well, that's a powerful rifle. I think it's 120 damage and 12mm penetration. It's something a bit more powerful than my 308 and these Mauser weapons. And the ammo for this one. Wow, I got some ammo. Perfect. It's much rarer. Okay, Sterog. Nice. More 556 ammo. Look at that. Slaughter. And it's hard to load them all. More 556, nice. Yeah. I'm gonna... Wow, that Uzi. It's silenced, but it's so cheap. Usually those silenced weapons are worth carrying. Well, this one neither. Well. So... Now... Elite, Scum... This one is Elite. Come on, she's unarmored. Pleb, this one is also pleb. Okay. I think I put in them all. Anything else? So yeah, I managed to get this done. Although the game was crashing uncontrollably. Just need to make saves more frequently. Okay, so Cams, Radaways, perfect. Dirty water, not interested. Steam pack, okay. Ammo box is nice. Ah, damn it. So many of those small rifle rounds, those 5mm. They don't use anymore. Okay, take this gun. More ammo boxes. Okay, 36 grenades. More grenades than these shotgun shells. Oh, another. Again, the shotgun shells. So I made a little bit, little skirmish away from our route. Costed me some time. I will be well rested until 3 PM. I can go to the museum. This way, right? Okay. Let's salute those mutants. Yeah, I already done it. And vaulted on this place. Okay, let's call Malcolm. He's gonna wait here in this room. Okay, first let's give him some items. Yep. Okay, come with me instead. Doing nothing. That other follower mode had that talkie-walkie that you can communicate with your followers wherever they are. Okay. So I'm gonna make him wait and okay, first stop hiding, then hide. I'm gonna proceed here next time. And next time I'm afraid that I'm gonna need to make a bit bigger pause again, because there are some things I need to get fixed. First I want to finally put those high caliber weapons, other of those. There are many others, 50 BMG weapons that I had in mind. Then there's something a bit bigger than BMG, like 14mm something, 14.7mm ammo weapons. And I wanna have a bigger diversity of those bigger caliber weapons. I was working a lot on the diversity of those smaller caliber weapons. Most of them I never used, and that's kind of stupid. And for those bigger caliber weapons, especially firearms, not so many as there could be. I even have so many models. I just need to assign proper scripts to them and to assign those weapons to the proper file lists and level lists to all the actors. It'll take some time and some other things I need to have done. Then there is the exam I have this week, and also there's some other things I need to have done. So I also have lectures every day, have trainings almost every day, and I realized that the best would be just to make a smaller pause again, because I just didn't find time to put in those high caliber weapons so far, and I want to have it before I engage those super mutants. that are here, I hope. I can check it out, but I don't wanna spoil the moment of surprise. I don't know what's outside. That's kinda interesting when you just exit and see what awaits you. It looks like stairs, so I probably won't be able to see it until I get out. But I'm quite sure that I can expect super mutants because we already met 2 of them here. And where am I? I think I'm close to the mall. Let's see. Well, it looks like I'm not. That's interesting. Who knows? Yeah, I think we will climb up. So we were like here somewhere. Damn it, I have no idea. It doesn't matter. But anyway, I'm gonna keep you informed on my Twitch page and I'm gonna continue with streams. I think I can do it in a week. So let's say it like that. I won't say fewer less time because last time I said it will be a few days and it ended up being 2 weeks. So I think maybe a week or 2 again. Those will be. Sorry. So I don't know. If you want me to start earlier, you can leave me a feedback. Actually, that's why I started earlier this time, though I didn't make any major changes. Because Danny asked me to start streaming, and I said, oh, okay, I will start. Because I was so confident I will do everything in a few days, and it turned up I couldn't. So, I don't know. Hurry me up. Just send me a message if you want me to start earlier. So that's it for today, and until we meet again.